Savannah Brito.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Good morning. Middle of the work week. Still dealing with some patchy frost out there, at least in shaded areas that really haven't seen the sunlight. These trees hindering the sunlight from hitting these areas, or sunlight from hitting these areas. And you can still see, if you look closely, that there is some patchy frost out there. Not as widespread as what we saw this morning. Also not as cold anymore either. We fell to 29 degrees. That was the coolest temperature that we've seen since late April. April 26th, we fell to 25 degrees. These temperatures are actually typical, like for mid to late November, not early to mid-October, which is what we're in right now. Still holding on to freezing level though, 32. Not cool as 29, which we saw a couple hours ago now, but we have 40s returning in a lot of areas. 40 degrees in Rochelle, all the way up to 45 in Monroe, 44 not far behind that in DeKalb. Not tracking any rain yet. If you step outside, you'll want to bundle up this morning. Those coats, though, can be turned into raincoats by later this afternoon. Kind of hard to believe it's going to rain today with all the sunshine that we do have. So dry and clear, but clouds are rebounding already northwest of here. Those spread across the state line pretty quickly, so we go from mostly sunny to mostly cloudy, and then showers return, I think, as early as about 2-3 p.m. That's for southern areas first, southern DeKalb County, Lee County, maybe Carroll and Whiteside counties. So we are going to see plenty of heavy and widespread rain over the next couple of days, not breaking the active pattern. This is not only going to be today. Showers do increase for dinner time and then overnight, especially into Thursday and Friday. So definitely want that rain gear handy. Hold on to it, not only for today, but the next couple of days. Could even be tracking some heavier showers into the weekend, maybe even the second half on Sunday as well. So it is going to be a very active pattern. Lots of heavy rain as we take you through the next 48 hours. This is for the next 3 days. The Weather Prediction Center showing that heavy band of rain. This is all going to be focused with that warm front. Areas directly north of the warm front, which you can see where that sets up camp. The state line is going to be north of that. That's where the heaviest of the rain is going to be. And we could even see a month's worth of rain in the span of a couple days. That's looking more and more likely. So last month we were in a deficit. Not going to be the case for the month of October by any means. We're going to turn our attention now to Friday, though, as that warm front does slide further to our northeast, thinking we could even see some strong to severe thunderstorms. Right now, we're just focusing on a marginal lower end risk across most of northern Illinois. That does extend right over that state line. Flooding is our primary concern with the pockets of heavier rain, widespread rain, several inches that we're going to get. But also notice the warm front placement. If any storms do latch onto that, they could rotate or turn, so we'll have to watch for that as we head into Friday afternoon as well. So lots to look at for the end of the work week, rain being the concern, also some stronger storms Friday perhaps. 62 though, that's your daytime high later this afternoon, so temperatures similar to yesterday. 50 tonight, nowhere near as cold as what we saw the last several nights, including this morning, which was the coldest since last April. 59 Thursday, 64 Friday, thinking we could even be a little bit warmer than that, depending on the warm front, probably going to see maybe mid to upper 60s even. 54 then Saturday, so